Road safety in the United States remains a critical public concern, with millions of drivers, cyclists, and pedestrians sharing the road every day. While there have been significant advances in vehicle technology and infrastructure, challenges persist in reducing traffic fatalities and serious injuries. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, over 40,000 people lost their lives in traffic crashes in 2023, a slight decrease from previous years but still alarmingly high. Key factors contributing to road accidents include speeding, distracted driving, impaired driving, and failure to wear seatbelts. One of the most pressing issues is distracted driving, especially due to mobile phone use. Despite widespread public awareness campaigns and laws banning texting while driving in most states, many drivers continue to engage in risky behaviors behind the wheel. Alcohol-impaired driving also remains a major concern. Nearly one-third of all traffic-related deaths in the U.S. involve a driver with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.08% or higher. Efforts to combat this include stricter enforcement, public education, and the promotion of rideshare alternatives. On the positive side, the adoption of safety technologies like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control has helped reduce collisions. Moreover, infrastructure improvements such as roundabouts, pedestrian crossings, and better lighting are making roads safer for everyone. Federal and state governments continue to push for a Vision Zero approach, aiming to eliminate traffic deaths altogether through policy, design, and education. Improving road safety in America will require ongoing collaboration among policymakers, law enforcement, vehicle manufacturers, and road users themselves. While the road ahead is challenging, every step toward safer travel can help save lives.